Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about why a lot of beginners, when it comes to make money online, are actually scared to do it, right? And this comes from just seeing a lot of comments, right, on different videos where people just are so skeptical, or they're just or they just have a lot of questions, and some of them don't even really make sense, and it just tells me like, you're just scared, right? You're just scared, you know what I mean? You're scared to get out there, and I completely understand it. And what my experiences is, I feel like most people, especially beginners to the game, they're afraid because they're either afraid to spend money, right, learning how to do something, or putting money into something that could make them money, or they're afraid of wasting a lot of time, putting a lot of time into something, doing both of those things, putting in money and putting in time, and not getting any money back, right? That's what I noticed with most people, what they're afraid of when it comes to making money online. And out of the two, I would say a lot of people don't want to, put up any sort of money first, because they're like, oh, it says, I can make this amount of money, but I got to spend this to learn training, or I got to spend this amount of money for some software or whatever, or to outsource some stuff. Like, what if like I do that? What if I spend that $200 and I make nothing? Just the thought of that, you know what I'm saying? Or you're like, oh, this free. You could do all of this for free, but I mean, you got to put in, 3-4 hours a day to get everything set up before you can start generating income. So a lot of people are like, oh yeah, that's cool. But then once you got to start actually doing the work, your mind start playing with you, and you're like, wait. What if I do all of this for 2 weeks, 3 hours a day? And what if I make nothing, right? And that, to me, is what most beginner online entrepreneurs, that's what runs through their mind, right? And because most people, even to this day, most people are still stuck on, you get a job and you just figure out how much do you get paid per hour. And most people, they're built off of that. That's what they know, right? Which is nothing wrong with that. But once you get over to that online mentality, like, I want to make money online, you got to kind of get away, slowly or fast, get away from that whole thing of like, everything got to be hourly. Everything got to be, $20 an hour, $15 an hour, $30. Because most people that try to make money online, if you're watching this, you're probably one of them. You want to make either passive income, right, where you just got money, just comes in, you do something, you set something up, and you just make sales. You make sales at 2 in the morning, you make sales at 2 in the afternoon, right? You set something up and you just let it come in, right? Or you want the residual income, which, you make something or you offer something, and once you sell something, you just keep that recurring income coming in every month, every year, right? That's what most people who get into the make money online world, that's what most people want, right? That's not hourly work. So you got to change your mindset, right? And realize that you have to put in either some sort of money, investing in yourself, investing in your business, or you got to put in time. And in many cases, you got to do both, right? But you have to look at it like, making money online, you're starting a business, right? You're an entrepreneur, you starting your own thing, you're trying to make 6 figures, right, a year, whatever. So think about when you start your own offline business. Look how many expenses you got to do. Look how much money and time and energy and research you got to do to open up your own little brick and mortar business, a little building, right? Look how much energy and time you got to do. And a lot of people are more willing to do that and gamble with that than they are with something that they can really have much more control over, right? So that's the mindset you got to understand, that because it seems so easy to make money online, just the idea of turning on your computer and watching money pop out is so appealing. People forget that you still got to put work in. even if it's initial work, just to get stuff set up so you can build at 6 figures and potentially 7 figures a year from the internet, right? From online stuff. But you got to understand that this is possible. You got to believe it, because if you don't really believe that you can do it, right, then yeah, the doubt of you putting in money and not getting nothing back, it will stop you from achieving goals. The idea of you putting in real time, 2-3 hours a day to learn a skill or to build your business, once you realize that, you know, that's not going to stop you. You know what I mean? You're not going to let that stop you, and you believe that putting this time in can make you money, then you're gonna start seeing success. You will, once you realize that you can do it. So what I always recommend people doing, if you're a beginner and you're a little scared, right, to really, you know, get into it, to start off, to kill the whole money thing, you know, start with free ways to make money online. Start like doing little simple stuff just to see money get into your account, even if it's just a little bit. Once you start to see money like in your PayPal, or money, you know, in your checking account from something you did online, that will motivate you. That will let you know, like, oh, this is real, even though it's only $5-10, right? That will let you know, like, mentally, like, oh, whoa, I can do this. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I tell people you can get started by doing like affiliate marketing. You can start that for free. You know what I mean? You can offer services on like Fiverr and stuff like that. Or you could even start with like real little simple stuff like pay to listen to music, like Slice the Pie I talk about. But that's very, very, very little money, all right? But I'm just saying, Paid Viewpoint is a little survey site thing. It's free to sign up, but you take little surveys and you see money. You get little money. But I would say affiliate marketing. Another thing that I would highly recommend is, I always talk about YouTube, right? Start with YouTube. And that's a great way to promote stuff. And once you get your channel monetized, great way to see money coming in. You know, every time you upload a video and you start getting them views in and your channel monetized, you can see that money coming in, and that will motivate you, right? Now, affiliate marketing YouTube is free to get started with, but over time you're gonna realize you're gonna want to put some sort of, you know, investment into your business, just like you would if you had an offline business or a brick and mortar or something like that. So, but the moral of this video is, guys, don't be afraid, because worst thing that happens, maybe you lost a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I mean? You keep going, because as long as you don't quit, you'll never fail, right? Maybe you did try a project or something like that. You tried to do something and it just wasn't for you. So yeah, you wasted 2 weeks or 2 months on affiliate marketing. It just wasn't for you. But if you're trying to be a boss online and make money online, listen, there's way too many opportunities for you not to find the one that you click with and that can generate you the money that you want to make, right? There's too many opportunities out there. You can create your own courses now. You can do YouTube. You can do online marketing for other people. You can do affiliate marketing. You can do tons of stuff now that can make you money and make you real money. All right, so that's my take on it. Don't be afraid. Like I said, time, money, we all got to do it. But don't let that stop you, because there are people, trust me, making 6 and 7 figures a year online, and one day I'm gonna get there, hopefully soon. All right, so if you're looking for stuff that you can get started with to help you make money online, check the description of this video. I got tons of opportunities. If you can't find nothing in my description to make you real money, then maybe making money online just ain't for you. Maybe just, you know what I'm saying, I'm just keeping it real. All right, but check those out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.